students, in previous video I had explained about like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. But in this new video I shall explain about unit fraction, decimal fraction, standard fraction and equivalent fraction. Let's know about these four fractions. First, unit fraction. You have to know the fraction in which numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Again I say to you, the fraction in which numerator is 1 is called unit fraction. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 are the examples of unit fraction. Why? Because the numerator of all these three fractions is 1. The numerator of all these three fractions is 1. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. are the examples of unit fraction. Now let's know decimal fraction. The fraction in which denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. Then such type of fraction will be called decimal fraction. For example, 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 7 by 1000, etc. are the examples of decimal fraction, because here you are seeing that denominator is 10, 100, 10,000, etc. And now let's know standard fraction. The fraction which has no highest common factor other than 1. The fraction which has no highest common factor other than 1 is called standard fraction. It is also called simplest fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, etc. are the example of standard fraction, because here you will see highest common factor of 2 and 3. In this fraction, I mean in the example of 2 by 3, highest common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. And also in example of 4 by 5, highest common factor is 1. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, etc. are the example of standard fraction. Suppose I take one example more. 6 by 9. Is it a standard fraction? No. Why? Because here highest common factor is 3. Highest common factor is 3. So 6 by 9 is not a standard fraction. When we divide 6 by 9 by 3, then result will come 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So 6 by 9 is not a standard fraction, but 2 by 3 is a standard fraction, because 2 by 3 has no highest common factor other than 1. Again listen to me. 6 by 9 is not a standard fraction, because 6 by 9 has highest common factor 3, but 2 by 3 is a standard fraction, because 2 by 3 2 by 3 has no highest common factor other than 1. So, you know 6 by 9 is not a standard fraction, but 2 by 3 is a standard fraction. And now equivalent fraction. Let's know equivalent fraction. The fraction which is obtained by multiplying or dividing by same number to the numerator and denominator of given fraction. Here I make you understand by examples. Here given fraction is 3 by 4, right? Here given fraction is 3 by 4 and its numerator is 3, its denominator is 4, and I am multiplying the numerator and denominator both by the same number 5, and by doing so result comes 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20, and 15 and 20 is equal to 3 by 4, because when we divide 15 by 20 by 5, then result comes as 3 by 4. Here you are seeing again 3 by 4 has come. So we can say that 3 by 4 and 15 by 20 are same. So 3 by 4 and 15 by 20 are equivalent fraction. Why they are equivalent fraction? Because 3 by 4 and 15 by 20 have same value. And how 15 by 20 has come? By multiplying the same number. And now let's know 3 by 4 is fraction, 3 is numerator and 4 is denominator, and here I am dividing numerator and denominator both. Here I am dividing numerator and denominator both by same number 5. The result comes again 15 by 20, and when we divide 15 by 20 by 5, the result comes 3 by 4. Again 3 by 4 comes. So we can say that 3 by 4 and 15 by 20 are same, and since they have same value, so they are means 3 by 4 and 15 by 20 are equivalent fraction. So 3 by 4 is equal to 3 to the 15 and 4 to the 3 to the 5 and 4 to the 5. I mean 3 by 4 is equal to when we multiply 3 by 4 by same number 5, or 3 by 4 is equal when we divide 3 by 4 by the same number 5. Then again same value comes. You know here we have not to multiply or divide only numerator or only denominator. No, we have to multiply or divide both, means 2 numerator and 2 denominator both. We have to multiply or divide, but by the same number. You must know it. So in this video I made you understand about unit fraction, decimal fraction, standard fraction and equivalent fraction. And in previous video I had explained about line fraction unlike fraction, proper fraction and improper fraction, and also mixed fraction. These 5 fractions I have already explained you in my previous video. You can watch in my educational channel class 5, 6, 7, and channel link is www.youtube.com/TS Education Hub. This is the link of my channel. You can watch, you can learn these 5 fractions also in my previous video, and in this video I made you understand about these 4 fractions. I think you would have known everything, each fraction you would have known, and if there is any doubt then you comment, and if you like, you please like, share and subscribe so that you get notification of my new video. Okay.